Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pasta chicken salad. First, let's get our pasta ready. You'll want to cook about 8 ounces of your favorite pasta, like rotini or pen, until it's perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain it well and give it a quick rinse with cold water. This stops the cooking and keeps it from sticking. Let it cool completely while we prepare the other delicious components. Next, let's prepare our protein and fresh vegetables. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked chicken breast, shredded or diced into nice, bite-sized pieces. For that essential crunch and a burst of flavor, dice 1 cup of crisp celery and 1/2 cup of red onion. Don't forget the fresh herbs. Chop 1/4 cup each of fresh parsley and dill for a vibrant, aromatic touch. Now for the heart of our salad, the creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of tangy Dijon mustard. To brighten the flavors, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Finally, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking, ensuring a perfectly balanced and delicious dressing. It's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine your cooled pasta, the prepared chicken, and all those crisp, fresh vegetables. Now, pour that luscious, creamy dressing over the entire mixture. Toss everything carefully until every ingredient is beautifully coated. Cover the bowl and chill your pasta chicken salad in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to meld perfectly before you serve and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.